It's the 1980s, and Saddam Hussein is about to make a speech in the Congress. After the applause ends and everyone is silent, someone from the party members sneezes. Even though it wasn't loud, Saddam asks the audience, "Who was that?" Nobody answers. He orders the first row to be executed. After the soldiers take them away, gunshots echo from the hallway. Saddam asks again, "Who was that?" Still no answer. He orders the second row to be executed as well. After they are taken away, Saddam asks again, but there is still silence. The third row is taken. Saddam asks for the fourth time. Someone from the back row sacrifices himself for others and nervously says, "Saddam, it was me." Saddam turns to him and says, "Bless you, Habibi."